Hey guys, welcome to question 206 or question FM206 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads the matrix product, and then we're given this little matrix product equation here, or expression in the question, is equal to what? Now the easiest way to answer this question is going to be to take these two matrices and multiply them in your calculator. And if you do that, you should get an answer like this one, spelling the word evil. But I'll also go through a little bit on how this is done. And then if you guys want a more in-depth explanation on how matrix products are found, please leave that in the comments below and I'll do a more in-depth sort of explanation. So just to go through it a little bit here, we've got a 4x4 matrix multiplying with a 4x1 matrix, which means if we use our little matrix product explanation, these two, the number of columns from the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix, they line up. So we're happy there. And then our matrix product, we know is going to be a 4x1 because that's what is left on the outside of this, this little, I guess, it's a little method that you can use to find out what how many rows and columns are going to be in your matrix product. So we know it's going to be a 4x1 from the get-go, and then how do we know which letters are going to pop up here? Well, the way these multiplications work is we take the row from our first matrix and we turn it 90 degrees clockwise and multiply it with each of the terms in our second matrix. So what we've got is the first three zeros lining up with V, L, I, and then that one lining up with the E. And how this looks is 0 times V plus 0 times L plus 0 times I. And then finally on the end we have plus 1 times E. So if we were to add this all together, or multiply it all together, add it all together, 0 times V would be 0, plus 0 times L would be 0. So if I've got 0 plus 0, 0 times I would also be 0. So we'd have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 times E, which is what leaves us with an E in our answer. That same process can be followed with the rest of the letters, also the rest of the rows and columns along here, and you'll get your answer evil. So our answer evil, of course, is question C. And that's that question completed. If you guys have any further questions, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.